what's up?
The ceiling? The sky? What are we looking at?
No. I'm not asking what's literally up. What's up just means, what's going on, or what's happening.
Oh, so you're not worried about the ceiling falling on us?
Nope, just checking in. You can answer something like, not much, or just hanging out.
Okay. So, let's try it again.
Hey, what's up?
Well, I just finished a sandwich, and I'm about to take a nap.
Close enough. You could also just say, not much, unless you want to explain your whole life story every time.
Okay, got it. Next time, I'll just say not much and save the sandwich details for later.
Yeah, keep the sandwiches for the important conversations.